cloves are celebrated for their deep brown hue, enchanting aroma, and the sweet, spicy punch they add to our favorite dishes. They're not just a culinary hero, cloves are also renowned for their significant health benefits. Rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, they naturally combat diverse health concerns such as gum disease, digestive discomfort, liver anomalies, and even contribute to heart health while helping to alleviate stress and anxiety. Some research even indicates cloves' potential in fighting cancer. However, are cloves suitable for everyone? Not quite. Despite their benefits, there are certain conditions under which consuming cloves excessively or even moderately should be avoided. For individuals with specific health issues, cloves might pose risks rather than provide relief. It's crucial to be informed about these conditions to prevent inadvertently worsening your health. In today's video, we will delve into these critical health issues and discuss why individuals with certain conditions must be cautious with clove consumption. Stay tuned to learn which health scenarios demand avoiding cloves, ensuring you're harnessing this spice's benefits safely without compromising your well-being. Let's dive in and uncover the lesser-known side of this potent spice. 1. Pregnancy. Pregnancy is an incredible journey filled with anticipation and excitement, but it also brings about a myriad of physical changes and challenges. From morning sickness to nausea and unexpected food aversions, expectant mothers certainly have their plates full. It's no wonder that many rely on traditional remedies to seek relief. Cloves often emerge as a recommended herb, whether in warm, soothing teas or simply to be chewed on, thanks to their reputation for providing comfort. However, here's something you may not know: cloves aren't always as harmless as they seem, especially during pregnancy. The secret lies in a compound called Eugenol, a natural phenolic found in cloves that boasts some impressive medicinal properties. While Eugenol has its benefits, it can also inadvertently pose risks, particularly for pregnant women. This compound is known to have the ability to stimulate uterine contractions, a process that might sound harmless but carries significant implications. Premature contractions can potentially lead to preterm labor, putting both the mother and the baby in jeopardy. This is why it's crucial to be mindful of clove consumption during pregnancy. In basic terms, indulging in too many cloves or using concentrated clove oil can trigger complications, potentially leading to severe outcomes like miscarriage. So before you reach for that spice rack or enhance your tea ritual, it's vital to consult with your healthcare provider. They have the expertise to guide you on which herbs and spices are safe to use and which are best avoided. Pregnancy is no time to gamble, and being cautious about what you consume is a great stride towards ensuring a healthy journey for both you and your unborn child. So remember, while cloves carry an alluring aroma and flavor, they can sometimes have sharp edges, especially during pregnancy. Keep following us for more intriguing health insights, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next tip on spices and health-related surprises. 2. Diabetes. Cloves have long been recognized for their beneficial properties, including their ability to potentially lower blood glucose levels. This is primarily due to an active compound in cloves called Eugenol. Eugenol has been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity and help in managing blood sugar levels. However, there's a crucial aspect to consider when it comes to cloves and diabetes. Moderation is key. You might be wondering why, if cloves have such positive effects on blood sugar, they could be problematic for diabetics. The answer lies in the risk associated with overconsumption. While a controlled amount of clove might support blood sugar management, consuming too much can lead to a dangerous condition known as hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar. Hypoglycemia poses significant health risks and can escalate into a medical emergency. Symptoms include dizziness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness, which can be life-threatening if not promptly addressed. Moreover, an excess intake of cloves, or more specifically, concentrated clove oil, can interfere with various diabetes medications. This interaction can potentially amplify the effect of the medication, thereby increasing the risk of hypoglycemia. That's why it's critical to maintain a balance and ensure you're not exceeding recommended amounts. So, if you are diabetic or managing blood sugar issues, it's essential to consult with your healthcare provider before significantly integrating cloves into your diet. They can provide tailored advice and ensure that any inclusion of cloves in your nutrition plan is both safe and effective. And remember, while natural remedies can complement your health plan, they shouldn't replace professional medical advice. 3. Skin irritation. Could cloves be harming your skin? Yes, cloves have numerous benefits, but they aren't for everyone, especially if you're prone to skin irritation. Let's pull back the curtain and understand why some people need to approach cloves with caution. Imagine this: your immune system is your body's personal security guard, always on alert for anything that could be harmful. In some cases, it can overreact, triggering an allergic reaction when it encounters cloves or clove oil. This can manifest in various ways depending on how you come into contact with cloves. For instance, if you're applying clove oil directly to your skin, be vigilant for signs like redness, itching, or even peeling. It's your body waving the red flag, signaling that cloves might not be friendly to your skin. These symptoms typically fade away if you stop using cloves, but beware prolonged use could lead to more severe reactions, such as burns or blisters. Similar care should be taken when inhaling clove oil vapors. Respiratory issues, while not directly related to skin irritation, can also arise if you're sensitive to cloves. Even consuming cloves might not sit well with some people, leading to discomfort in the stomach. So, how can you avoid these potential pitfalls? It's all about being proactive. First, always dilute clove oil with a carrier oil before applying it to your skin to minimize irritation risks. Next, the ever-important patch test should be your go-to strategy. Apply a small amount of diluted clove oil to a discrete area on your skin and wait, but give it at least 8 to 12 hours and monitor for any adverse reactions. If nothing occurs, you're likely in the clear to use the clove oil sparingly. Remember, natural remedies like cloves can be powerful allies to your health regimen, but they require respect and caution, especially if your skin tends to be sensitive. 4. Mouth sensitivity. Have you ever reached for that bottle of clove oil for a quick fix for a nagging toothache? While cloves and clove oil are commonly lauded for their benefits to oral health, they may not always be the savior they're cracked up to be. Sure, they hold the mighty Eugenol compound, known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving prowess, which indeed offers swift reprieve from dental discomfort by acting as a natural anesthetic. But did you know that these very strengths might turn into surprising pitfalls if you're not careful? So let's delve into the intriguing dual nature of cloves. For example, if you've got sore gums or any ongoing mouth issues, you could be in for an unexpected surprise. Eugenol, while potent, can aggravate these sensitive areas, sparking irritation or even a burning sensation. It's all about balance, and in the excitement of quick pain relief, it's easy to overlook the fine print. Too much clove oil can lead to excessive numbness of the mouth or tongue, leaving you unable to savor your favorite meal. Here's an interesting tip. Always dilute clove oil with a carrier oil, such as coconut oil, to soften its intensity before applying it to your gums or teeth. This simple step might be the game changer you need for better oral care. Now, it's crucial to recognize when cloves aren't enough. If you're battling severe toothache, gum disease, or persistent mouth sores, it might be wise to consult a dentist or healthcare professional before incorporating cloves or clove oil into your routine. 3. Respiratory problems. For many, cloves can be a natural remedy for easing respiratory discomforts, thanks to their anti-inflammatory and expectorant properties. They are known to help alleviate symptoms like coughs, sore throats, and chest congestion by soothing throat irritation and assisting in thinning mucus, making it easier to expel. However, while cloves may seem like a small miracle for some, they can also pose potential risks, especially for those with particular sensitivities or allergies. It's important to be aware that not everyone benefits from the respiratory relief that cloves might provide. An allergic reaction to cloves can manifest in ways that exacerbate respiratory distress rather than alleviate it. Signs to watch for include wheezing, sneezing, shortness of breath, and even swelling of the throat. These symptoms indicate that one's body is responding adversely to cloves and that their use should be approached with caution or avoided altogether. In addition to allergies, the concentration of clove oil can be another source of concern. While cloves in their natural form are generally safe, concentrated clove oil is a different story. The potency of this oil can sometimes be too strong for the respiratory system to handle, particularly if inhaled in large amounts or for prolonged periods. This can result in throat irritation, a feeling of constriction in the airways, a persistent cough, and difficulty breathing. For anyone with a respiratory system that is already sensitive or prone to irritation, such effects could significantly worsen their condition. Therefore, it is crucial for individuals with known sensitivities or respiratory issues to exercise caution when using cloves or clove oil. Evaluating one's own reactions and consulting healthcare professionals, if in doubt, can help avoid these adverse effects. Being informed is the key to safely incorporating natural remedies into your health routine. Always remember, moderation and awareness are vital when dealing with potent natural substances like cloves. By approaching such remedies with care, you can make better choices for your health and well-being. 2. Liver concerns. For individuals managing liver conditions like fatty liver disease, liver inflammation, cirrhosis, hepatitis, or other liver-related infections, consuming cloves may pose significant challenges. The liver, already under stress from these conditions, struggles to process and metabolize the active compounds found in cloves. Those exotic and potent elements can inadvertently cause more harm than good, placing additional strain on the liver and potentially exacerbating the underlying condition. The liver's primary role is to act as a detoxifying agent in our body, but when it is compromised, it becomes crucial to carefully evaluate what we introduce into our systems. Additionally, if you are on medication specifically tailored to treat liver conditions, or if you're recovering from a liver transplant, it's crucial to proceed with caution. Medications meant for liver ailments are finely balanced to maintain and improve health, and introducing potent compounds like those found in cloves could interfere with that delicate balance. In such cases, the wise step is to consult with your healthcare provider or medical professional before consuming cloves in any form. They can offer personalized advice considering your unique health situation and guide you on whether cloves can fit into your diet safely. Overall, while cloves are a flavorful and aromatic spice that can enhance culinary delights and offer health benefits for many, those with certain liver ailments must navigate their consumption with care and knowledge. Being proactive about your health and understanding how even natural elements interact with your body is a sophisticated step towards holistic well-being. 1. Medication concerns. Cloves, those aromatic flower buds that add a rich flavor to our favorite dishes, come with a wealth of health benefits. However, if you're on specific medications, they might not always be your best friend. In this video, we're diving deep into why you should exercise caution with clove consumption, especially if you're managing certain health conditions. Firstly, if you're living with heart disease, consider this a crucial heads up. Cloves contain compounds that may interfere with blood thinners and medications meant to lower blood pressure. Since clove has mild blood thinning properties, when combined with your prescribed medication, it might amplify the effects, increasing your risk of bleeding. It's essential to maintain a balance, as any imbalance could lead to significant issues. But for those of you managing diabetes, there's more you need to be aware of. Clove compounds can potentially enhance the effect of sugar-lowering medications, which could result in hypoglycemia, a condition I've touched upon before. It's when your blood sugar drops to dangerously low levels, causing symptoms like dizziness, confusion, or even loss of consciousness. If clove is part of your dietary intake, you should monitor your blood sugar levels closely and consult your healthcare provider to adjust your medication if needed. But that's not all. Eugenol, a key component in cloves, can pose challenges if you're using certain pain relief medications or undergoing anesthesia. If you're prescribed aspirin, certain non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, or planning surgery that requires local anesthesia, cloves might interfere with their efficacy. The interaction can delay healing, increase bleeding risk, or even affect how effectively the anesthesia works during a procedure. To sum up, while cloves boast natural remedies charm, they are a classic example of how more isn't always merrier. It's critical to be cautious and consult your healthcare provider if you're on any aforementioned medications. They can offer personalized advice, potentially adjusting your treatment plan to safely include cloves or suggest suitable alternatives without compromising your health. In conclusion, while cloves offer a multitude of health benefits and are celebrated in various traditional remedies, they can have adverse interactions for certain individuals. If you are on blood-thinning medications, managing diabetes, or preparing for medical procedures involving anesthesia, it is crucial to exercise caution when incorporating cloves into your regimen. Always engage in open communication with your healthcare provider to assess the risks and benefits in your particular case. Being proactive can ensure that your use of cloves complements your overall health strategy without unintended complications. By staying informed and cautious, you can appreciate the potential benefits of cloves while safeguarding your well-being.